Good morning, boys and girls. Well, not good morning for some of you, but I'm recording this blending lesson in the morning, so I say good morning. Today we are going to blend some words with some base words or inflections with ed, the past tense, and ing, the present tense, and with er, est, and es. So we have to look at the base word and then continue with our blending that way. Base word, we have race, then we have raced, the past tense, racing, the present tense. Okay, that's happening right now. Joke, joked, joking. Large, larger, largest. This is comparison words, right? So if something is large, larger is even more. Largest is the biggest one of all, right? Then we have base word thin, thinner, thinnest. Dry, dries, dried. Splash, splashes, splashing. Rush, rushes. Finest, redder, redder. Knitted, knitted. Carried, carried. Hoped, hoped. Juggle, juggle. Chew, chew. Saver, safer. Mouse, mouse. Voice, voice. Yield, yield. Frown, frown. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Named, named, renamed. Planned, unplanned. Fresh, refresh. So let's move on with our sentences. We have this bird's tail is shiniest in the sunlight, period. Notice the capital in the beginning of our sentence. Notice the end mark at the end. And check out this possessive noun right here. Possessive noun, birds, apostrophe S, showing a sense of belonging. The tail belongs to this bird. So it's this bird's tail. Okay? Moving on to the second sentence, we have this bird can fly faster than a race car, period. Now we're doing a comparison, right? That the bird can fly faster than a race car even. So the comparison here is the word faster, right? And of course, beginning of your sentence with the capital, end mark at the end. Don't forget, don't forget, don't forget, especially when you're writing in your journal. I need you to double check it each time, okay? Continue practice and have fun with your oral blending lesson. You can replay this video again and do it over again and again and again. Have a great day, boys and girls.